Hi, I'm Nikhil and welcome to new video from Technary.com. So Defy has launched a new device into the Indian market in their over-ear wireless headphone series. This is Defy BassX DWH01, which is an over-ear wireless headphone. Let us have a look at the features of this headphone. These are designed for comfort and all-day wear. These are built using lightweight ABS plastic frame and also finest and premium fox leather and foam ear cups. These headphones offer soft while snug fit for great noise isolation. These are skin-friendly ear cups which are sweat resistant so that the user can wear them throughout the day. There are 40mm drivers for perfect bass delivery as per the brand. There is inbuilt noise defying audio technology which offers passive noise isolation for a truly immersive experience. It uses latest Bluetooth version 5.0 connectivity. User can certainly expect quick pairing and also distortion free audio stream for even at longer range. These are having a battery life of 15 hours. So in a single charge, you can use it for up to 15 hours, which is just amazing. There's also Type-C port so that you can quick charge the headphones in a very less amount of time. User will have complete control over music and calls. There is control panel over the ear cups. This helps to change tracks, attend calls, and also you can get help from personal voice assistant like Google and Siri. There is dual pairing mode as well, which make the device very much interesting. You can easily switch in between calls and also enjoy your Netflix by pairing it on your laptop and smartphone simultaneously. So I like the dual pairing mode feature as you can simultaneously enjoy your movies or music, and also you can pick up some calls from your smartphone simultaneously, so there is no need to unpair and pair the Bluetooth device again and again, which is a very great feature for this device. So any guesses for the price? Well, it is priced at only rupees 1099 rupees. So if you want to purchase it at this discounted price, don't forget to check out the link in the description below to get the best deal and discount on this device. Kindly like this video. Also, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and put the bell notifications on to get the latest video updates from our side. Keep visiting our website, which is technary.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead.